Hey guys, so just me, Erica, today. For today's video, I'm actually doing a rice water video, and in this video I'm actually making a rice water hair mask, which is going to be super fun. But as you all know, rice water makes your hair grow, and in our case, along with that, it also makes your hair super manageable in terms of detangling and softness. Now we do have a step-by-step rice water tutorial video on our channel, so I have that link below, along with another video with frequently asked questions about rice water. So again, I'll have those two linked below, so I'm not going to go too in-depth about rice water and everything and how to make it and all that. You guys can check out that video, and I have a link in the description box down below. So again, I am making a rice water hair mask, and for those of you who don't know, rice water is more like kind of like a protein treatment, but sometimes with protein treatments you need to add moisture, kind of have that balance, that moisture balance in your protein treatment. And this is where the rice water hair mask comes in. I'm going to actually be making a mask with a really cool ingredient you guys will see in the video, so you have to keep watching. But yeah, this ingredient has a lot of benefits for your hair. So that, along with the rice water, is going to combine together. It's going to make your hair flourish. It's going to make your hair thick. It's going to also make your hair grow again because it's rice water. But yeah, it's also going to just condition the hair. Alright, so enough of this intro. I'm just going to show you guys how to make this rice water hair growth mask. Alright guys, so here's my rice water. Again, we've shown you guys how to make rice water in another video. Unlike this rinse, I'm not going to put it in my hair just yet because I have to add a special ingredient, and that ingredient is mustard powder. Yeah, believe it or not, mustard powder is really great for your hair, but before we get into all the benefits, you're just going to add the mustard powder to your rice water. There's no measurement, just add it enough just to make it paste-like. And just a few things about mustard powder. It is a hair strengthener. It improves scalp circulation. In fact, there's an active ingredient in mustard powder called AITC, and this compound helps improving blood flow and blood vessel activities for your hair to grow. It also removes dead skin cells from the hair, and it contains a slew of vitamins, which if you've seen our vitamins for hair growth videos, you will know the benefits includes having restorative properties for damaged hair, antioxidant properties, and improvement of elasticity, and so much more. And next we're just going to add in some virgin olive oil for moisture, because mustard powder can be a little bit drying. And then I'm just going to test a little bit on my elbow because, again, mustard powder is very powerful, or it's very kind of potent, so it could burn your scalp potentially, and it didn't burn my elbow, so I figured I'm good. Alright, so now I'm going to take my mixture and I'm actually going to apply it to my scalp. They say you're supposed to apply any type of mustard powder mixture to your scalp and not the length of your hair, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to part my hair in different sections and just apply that mustard powder to my scalp, which I guess kind of makes sense because hair grows from the scalp, so you kind of want to treat the scalp, so I guess it's kind of like a scalp mask. And so after that, you're going to actually massage all of the nutrients into your scalp and get that mustard powder and rice water working. So then after about a 3 to 5 minute massage, I'm just going to bun my hair and then put a shower cap on it and let the heat kind of work the nutrients into my hair. And then you're just going to let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I did mine for about 20. Alright, so because this is a pre-poo hair mask, I'm going to just rinse it out with a sulfate-free shampoo and just let the nutrients from the hair mask just rinse throughout my hair. And also make sure you guys rinse this out thoroughly because the mustard powder kind of gets stuck to your hair, so kind of spend extra time on the rinsing. So I actually had to stop my hair routine just to show you guys how easily I'm able to run my fingers through my new growth. For those of you who don't know, we are about 12 or 11 to 12 months post relaxer, so the fact that I'm able to do that is actually pretty amazing. Alright guys, so I'm now done with my hair routine. I actually did a braid out, and it's actually still kind of wet because I have not gone to sleep yet. But it's a little bit dry. You can see kind of the braid out formation. My thoughts on the whole hair mask. I didn't really notice a difference in the hair mask. Yeah, it made my hair soft, but it wasn't anything outstanding. I will say that I really love how it makes my scalp feel. So after I rinsed it out, I could feel it, like my scalp had a cooling sensation. So that kind of lets me know that it's working, and I'm like, okay, my scalp is clean and ready for hair growth. Also, make sure you wash it out because the grains in it, the grains like stay in your hair. So like the mustard powder. So you really just have to thoroughly wash it out. And I think I still have some in, I don't know, they might have all came out, but yeah, just kind of, I don't know, rinse it out, stay under the faucet or stay under the shower head for a little bit longer than usual. Also, y'all saw the detangling portion where I ran my fingers through my new growth. That is major key right there. So I think that's the rice water, that's rice water working, because the rice water really helps with detangling our hair. But yeah, I really love the hair mask. It'll be interesting to see other hair combinations or other rice water hair combinations. So comment them down below if you guys have any rice water combinations that you use to make your hair mask. But yeah, I really like this. Again, just make sure you wash it all out because it can get a little bit messy. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys and we'll talk to you later. Bye.